So, I just went on a big girl adult mission and went to the Social Security office to start my name change process. I don't know why I was so, scared and nervous about it, but, I walk in here, and I've never done this before. I don't know what the process is like, and there's a whole room of people just sitting and waiting like a doctor's office. And I was like, oh, what do I do? So I'm standing around at this desk, but no one's there, and I'm waiting for someone to get there. But then I start looking around the room, and I'm like, oh, there's a kiosk right there. I can check in myself. So I did, and then I sat down with my ticket, and then I scanned it, because it said you could do your process early. So I scanned the ticket, and I went online and started filling out all this information beforehand, and I probably sat for 15, 20 minutes. But the whole time I'm sitting here like a little anxious chihuahua shaking, because, I don't know, I'm disabled or something and I can't do new things without freaking out. But they finally called my number, and it's crazy because they called the number right before mine, and I literally had a mini heart attack in my seat. Why am I like that? But anyways, they finally called my number, and I was really hoping they wouldn't call me to one of the windows that was right there in the waiting room. And thankfully they didn't. They called me back to window 23 and barely even talked. I told her what I was doing. I handed her my documents, and since I had all the info filled out, I guess it was really quick. I was back there no more than 5 minutes. But now here I am in my car. I need to go find somewhere to pee because I forgot to pee on the way out, and I don't want to go back in. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Mellow Mushroom, probably use their bathroom, and follow up on my job application with them. Just let them know in person, hey, and that way if someone is there who maybe wants to talk to me, they can. Because it's the perfect time too. This is the slow period at restaurants between 2 and 4. So wish me luck. I'm gonna go there, and then I'm going to go see if Hobby Lobby's hiring and grab any job applications, and then I'm gonna go to Michael's again and follow up in person. And then at some point I'm probably gonna pick up Rebecca. No, I am gonna pick up Rebecca, or at least I hope, so we can go grocery shopping together. So yeah, I'm gonna go find a toilet. So I'm in my glasses, I slept in my makeup, and my hair is gross. But I'm just feeling like videoing something random. So I'm gonna make a coffee, or I'm gonna do a Hobby Lobby haul. I finally got some new clippers because I lost mine, and these are a cool color. just reminded that I have leftover Texas Roadhouse. Girl ditto. So since I'm going to be having so much free time for who knows how long, I decided I should get back into jewelry making and really try to promote and sell my pieces more. Got these, very, very cool. This. And all of those things that I got were half off. I saved $16.25. All those were very cheap. These were also half off, but I made sure to buy the cheaper ones so that they were even cheaper. This one was $2.99 originally, so. More of these. These were half off, so they were like $5. Would have been like $2.50. Little shiny hearts. Some shiny butterflies. These would have been $2. So at some point today, probably later in the evening, I'm gonna go craft. Whenever we have a good sunny day, I'm gonna take pictures of all my jewelry. Probably gonna try to do like some sort of TikTok promo video or something. I'm gonna post about it on the Instagram and then on my Instagram and just share it everywhere. I really suck at advertising my things. What are you doing, Turnip? What's this Turny doing? Princess, that's my coffee. What are you doing? Give me a pop. Action.
Great shape. Very round. Very accordion-like. Great cat. Wonderful.
With the black beans.
Great fur. Great fur. It all comes off when you pet her. That might be because she's mad. She... Great claws. Great face. Look at that face. Look at that gorgeous face.
Oh, okay.
Look at that tail. It usually wags like this when she's mad. Are you mad, Princess? No, look, she likes that.
Betsy! The little Benz! Poppy!